Hey guys and girls, this is Ali with Solar Flare Trading. Wanted to just go ahead and shoot a quick recap video of my options small account challenge. Also, before we get started, if you have not done so already, I really would appreciate if you like and also subscribe to the channel. If you feel like you're getting any type of benefit or encouragement or whatever it may be from it, definitely would appreciate that. It will help grow the channel. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So right now, when I left off, I was in the Twitter call option, and I closed the Twitter. I closed the Twitter trade out Friday. Okay, I closed that out Friday. I'm currently in the Thinkorswim web account, which my first time getting in it, I was in it on Friday. It doesn't give you a lot of options as far as with the charts, it goes, but that's fine because I use TradingView for my charting instead of Thinkorswim. But it gives you really quick access to open and close the trade. So I was just kind of checking it out a little bit. But anyway, let's jump into it. So I closed the Twitter trade for about a $54 profit on Friday. As you can see, hold on here, let me go back to it. We closed that out. Go back here. Probably 4 hour there. Okay. So we closed that trade out. As you can see, looking here, $47 was my call. Okay. It hit up to $48 and 7 cents was the close on Friday. Now, my option doesn't close out. Well, wasn't supposed to close out until Friday of next week. But kind of going into the weekend, I was kind of unsure, what type of news or anything that may come out over the weekend for it. So I really just closed the trade early and ended up with a small profit. My target was actually going to be 48.46. I'm sorry, 48.86, and then also or $50.33. But one thing I've come to notice here with this strategy, and I think I'm going to mix it up some, is that I'm personally a scalper. Okay. And not even too much a scalper, but more of an intraday trader. So I like getting in front of the charts and making trades every day. So with this strategy that I did with the options, I only made one trade last week. Okay. On the higher time frame, I was looking at the daily. So I think what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to switch up my strategy a little bit. Same strategy per se, but I'm just going to go to the lower time frames. Me personally, I think I do better when I'm looking at one chart every day. Okay, one chart every day, and I'm kind of starting to learn that particular movement and flow. Because to me, this by looking at a separate stock is going to take too long. And if I'm entering in these plays, to me, it just doesn't kind of suit my style a little bit. So, and I also work from home, so as well. So it's going to be very interesting on how I can kind of incorporate that with kind of more of an intraday scalping technique, and still be able to work. So I probably won't have a lot of recorded videos of live trades due to that, but I'll try to sneak in whatever I can for you all to take a look at. So uh, the Twitter trade worked out. Hold on, let me get out of here. So sorry. So the Twitter trade worked out as far as it on that, and then, but what I think I'm going to do for the future is I'm going to be scalping the spy. Okay, so let me click over here. Where are we at? So looking at the spy, pretty much on a 5 minute chart, it's kind of be similar to when I was scalping the US 30 and also NASDAQ pairs. So the good news with SPY is what I like is that it has several expiration dates during the week. Uh, so with their setup, so a lot of the other times you have weekly options that expire every Friday. Well, SPY has options that expire, I believe, 3 times a week on that. So what that means for a scalping purpose is that the premiums to go ahead and enter these trades are going to be much lower because most of the days this expiration is going to be the day of or the next day. So therefore, I'm not going to be holding these trades overnight. Okay. So I'm not going to be holding these trades overnight, which is going to be a big difference in the strategy. So therefore, I'm going to have consistent action each day. So we'll see how that goes. All right. So the plan this week is to go ahead and scalp the SPY. And then I'll give you all daily recaps of kind of how that went. And hopefully we can have some success with that. I'm still getting a little bit familiar with the Thinkorswim platform setup. So I'm gonna try that out for a little bit, kind of see what we can get from that, and see how that works. Because looking, let me go back over here. Looking at their charting, when you're looking at getting in and out of the options on a scalping basis, you have to be very quick. And Thinkorswim, I just have to arrange my setup to where it's going to be beneficial for me. So I might maybe Monday and Tuesday just go ahead and start off by maybe doing some practice type trades on SPY to get used to it, so I can get my being able to go in and out of the trades frequently. Or I might just say screw it and go ahead and do it anyway, and just do a live trade for it. So that's the strategy from now on. I'm gonna just focus on the SPY specifically each day and go ahead and use more intraday type scalping trades from the 5 minute and even possibly the 3 minute time frame on the charts. So far we're 1-0. But that's going to definitely change when we start doing the scalping technique on it and intraday trading. But I'm excited to see where this journey is going to take us. And for right now, that'll be it. Until next time, peace.